What's good, my people? I want to talk about something really quick, just real quick. I suffer from depression, anxiety, ADHD, bipolar, night terrors. There's many mental health problems out there that should be recognized, talked about. It's a serious problem that some people do not understand. Just by checking on someone you know or don't know could turn their day or even their life around. There are many numbers for mental health. So if you can and willing, drop a link or number for those that suffer, or even family members that want to help their own or someone else's. It could change your life. Just had to get that out there. Love you guys, and try to make sure you love everybody, even if they're suffering from mental health problems. Alright? Be safe.